What's going on? It's Don Watch the Weed Stock Investor. I'm going to bring you guys to Tilt Holdings. They're going by the stock ticker SVVTF. Now, they got on my radar when I read a report on Reddit. If you guys don't have the Reddit app, get the Reddit app and follow all the marijuana stocks and weed stock articles. Now, what the article that I was reading about, they're doing a delivery service, same day delivery. I'm going to bring you guys that. However, I'm hearing reports, $18.3 million for the month of January. They're saying that's one of the biggest marijuana stocks in U.S. That's huge. They're servicing over 1,000 dispensaries across the United States. That's very good. Their price is at $2 right now. I like that. Also, one of the things that I want to know about is that where are you located? They're located within 40 states in the U.S., Canada, and Europe. I like that. Now, they, Tilt Holdings, they just went public in December. They're a relatively new company now. But, the thing that I like and love is that this is 4 already established great companies that formed a merger and became Tilt Holdings. This is Donald Washington.
Jim Gordon back with Small Cap Power. We're here at the 2019 Growth Conference at the Pacific Rim here in downtown Vancouver. Joining me right now is the Senior Vice President of Tilt Holdings. It's Joel Milton. Joel, great to have you with us.
Yeah, likewise. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for joining us, because I know you've just come off stage where you're presenting.
Yes.
Joel, let's do with you what we do with everybody, and let's talk about a general overall view of Tilt.
Yes. Tilt is a comprehensive business-to-business company in the cannabis industry.
Okay.
So we provide hardware, software, distribution, contract manufacturing services for over 1,500 retail stores and brands across the United States, Canada, and Europe.
Okay. And Joel, a little background on how you became part of the Tilt family.
Right. So Tilt is relatively new. We just went public in December. But within Tilt was formed by a merger of 4 companies, one of which I was the co-founder and CEO of Baker Technologies.
Right.
And so the 4 companies that have come together, plus several other acquisitions, are all very mature and established businesses. And so while Tilt itself is new as a company, we're now just integrating and benefiting from the synergies of all these existing companies.
And boy, you say new, but I want to let you say this to our viewers. You're a new company, but January numbers were just released, and boy, what a great way to begin 2019.
Yes, yeah, we posted $18.3 million in revenue U.S. for the month of January, which makes us one of the, if not the largest U.S. publicly traded cannabis companies by revenue. So very excited. It's a great way to start the year.
And you talk about large. Of course you are. I was just reading here that the company operates in 40 U.S. states, Canada, and Europe. So expansion is obviously part of the plan, always ongoing.
Yes. Yeah, so unlike the traditional MSO or multi-state operator, which is a vertical operation in every state, we're a little different in that we have a software component, a hardware component, distribution components, which are much more scalable and enable us to really expand and capture more of a market, and then build on top of that to offer additional products and services to all the existing stores and brands already existing.
And of course, as I mentioned, we just started the year. You started it well, as I mentioned. Can you talk about plans going forward? 2019 is young still, but what are your plans going into the rest of the year and beyond?
Yes. So one of the questions we always get is, how do these different businesses fit together? But in our mind, it's a perfect vision, and so 2019 is executing that. For example, Jupiter manufactures white-labeled hardware. Many of the vape pens that are sold in the market are actually produced and manufactured by Jupiter.
Okay.
Separately from that, we have a company called Blackbird, a distribution business which touches 95% of the product in the state of Nevada. Blackbird now goes to these oil manufacturers and picks up 10,000 cartridges and drops them off at retail stores across the state.
Right.
Now that same Blackbird truck, instead of showing up empty, will show up with 10,000 unfilled Jupiter cartridges, drop those off, and then pick up the filled ones. And so expanding that across the country, building off of our already existing network to offer our clients additional products and services, help them with their distribution, offer them additional hardware products, and help them really grow their business is really our goal for 2019.
Okay, good enough. Great answer. For people who want to know more information on Tilt, can you give the email address?
Absolutely, yeah. Investors at tiltholdings.com, or just check out tiltholdings.com. CSE ticker is TILT, T-I-L-T.
Very nice. He is Joel.
All right, yeah, they're Tilt, T-I-L-T. Now, some of their latest news is that Tilt announces expansions of Jupiter distribution into California. Tilt provides Standard Farm with $3 million loan for processing operation in Ohio. Tilt announces preliminary fourth quarter pro revenue, which was very good. One of the things I like to look at is based out of Massachusetts, which is legal medically and recreationally. Also, if you guys are if you guys are using apps, make sure that you use the TD Ameritrade app. If you're using Robinhood, you won't see it. If you guys understand that Robinhood is only the publicly traded, the U.S. the NASDAQ and the Canadian stock market. It doesn't see the over-the-counter stock market stocks because it's not legal here in the United States. It's illegal on a federal level, and you're only going to see a lot of this stuff as over-the-counter stocks. So you must use TD Ameritrade. Let's check out their market cap. They have a market cap. If you guys can see it here, they have a market cap of 206 million. 206 million. The market cap is the shares outstanding times the price. Previous close was 194. Tilt Holdings, this is their, I want to bring you guys to big charts. This is the big chart. This is their chart here. I want to also bring you guys to their expansion. Let's see. So this is the 4 companies here that combined. And check this out. Baker Technology, the cannabis industry largest software company. Baker helps dispensaries generate more revenue and build relationships with their customers through a variety of products featured online ordering, customer loyalty, messaging, and analytics. The company has raised nearly $12 million in capital, works with over 1,000 dispensaries in 24 states. Another company that they combined with, Blackbird, is the best in class distribution company that provides logistics operations software solutions for each touch point in cannabis supply chain. Today, Blackbird works with over 250 wholesalers and retail cannabis operation in Nevada, California, with aggressive national expansion and plans in 2019. They work with over last 30 days completed over 1,000 dispensaries across Nevada and California. That's just 2. Brightside is the fastest and most cost-effective, the prefabricated modular construction company builds state-of-the-art cultivation and product facilities. Wow, so they build facilities. Another one is Standard Farms. Standard Farms is a multi-state medical cannabis operator focused on greenhouse cultivation, CO2 extractions with operations. Standard Farms strives bringing cannabis industries to a diverse product line of health and wellness. Wow, man, this is C100 Therapeutic, Santa Fe Holding, and Jupiter Research. Oh wow, I like them. About Tilt Holding, publicly traded as Canadian stock market. So at $2, new company, expansion to different countries. I like them. I think I'm gonna pick up 100 shares Monday. I'm gonna try to put my order in tonight and see if I can pick up 100 shares myself. Make sure you guys invest at your own risk, do your own research. Go to the Yahoo message boards, see what everybody is saying about them. Check out their charts. They also they have an investors tab here that you can check out their stock and some of the issues, some of the things, new stock information, and some of the data that so check out their website before you invest. Do your own research. This is definitely somebody that's on my radar. One of the articles I want to show you guys is this one. Tilt Holdings is a vertically integrated technology and infrastructure company that provides products and services in the cannabis industry. The firm offers same-day delivery for retailers, wholesalers, and consumers in 4 states. Tilt Holdings serve customers in the U.S., Canada, Puerto Rico, and Jamaica. Yep. So, it's something I was checking out. Check them out. You know, I'm gonna definitely keep an eye on them. Anyway, I want you guys to like, comment, let me know what you think about this video. Peace.